Hey friends, welcome back to channel. In this video, I am going to talk about must-have productivity apps which are beneficial for students in 2021, and every software which will discussed in this video will be available for both Windows and Mac operating system. So let's get started. So the number one is AnyDo. This app can be used as a to-do list, reminder or daily planner. This app is also used to manage personal goals and team projects in a single interface. And also you can set reminder triggered by either date and time or location. One can personalize this task with different categories like personal task, grocery list, work task and many more. This software makes student life easier by reminding them to complete a specific task before specific point of time. And the best part about it is synchronized with each and every device you have, because it is available in Windows, Mac OS, Android and iOS. Number 2 is Notion. Notion is all-in-one app because it has all different features in single app like to-do list, taking notes, project management, making or maintaining different sorts of information. And the best thing about this app is its database. We can make relation between different things in this application. This software can track, plan, manage and add work in a single place. Notion allows user to add various types of content which includes videos, code, bookmarks, images and many more. The UI of this software is so much user friendly that you can drag and drop any content to arrange them the way you like. One more thing, you might face difficulties while setup for the first time because it has so many features that you might not know about. But there are lots of free templates available on the internet which you can use for free, and also there are many templates given inbuilt in this software. And to know more about this software, one of my favorite YouTuber Ali Abdal has a whole bunch of playlists where he has explained how to use Notion to increase productivity. I am also inspired by him for using Notion. You should definitely check his videos about Notion. The link will be in the description. Number 3 on the list is Grammarly. Grammarly is an extension tool which you can use in Google Chrome, Safari and MS Office. The main benefit of Grammarly is that it corrects your spelling and grammar mistakes. As a student, you should be taking it more seriously if everything you do has a professional edges. Spelling and grammatical mistakes are not a good look for anyone. So Grammarly helps you correct all of them instantly. It enhances your writing skill. It is quick and reliable because it analyzes and corrects the word in real time. This helps you to make your content polished and professional. Grammarly can also help you by avoiding plagiarism issues and check your works against millions of web pages so that it ensures that you are not plagiarizing anyone. Number 4 on the list is Sublime Text. Sublime Text is one type of interpreter which can be used for many programming languages like C, C++, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and many more. But we can also use this software as a simple notepad, and it is easy to find any code written in this Sublime Text because it has many different types of themes and colors available in it, which can help you find specific code easily. Another cool feature about this software is Minimap. Because of Minimap, you can navigate to certain place in a page. We can also integrate a GitHub repository directly to this Sublime Text, and also you can synchronize your file directly on remote FTP server. Number 5 on the list is Microsoft Office. So Microsoft Office is a basic tool and you have used it a lot for Word, Excel and PowerPoint. But there is a disadvantage for using the MS Office. And the disadvantage is you cannot access any file from anywhere else. That's why I have a similar thing, which is Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides and Google Forms, which can be accessed from anywhere, anytime, just using internet. Whether it's on your phone or laptop, it can be accessible on any device. And the second benefit of using Google services is if you have to share any document or PPT, you just have to share the link of that document or PPT, and the another person can open it in its browser. It doesn't require any downloads or any software. And we can also give access to other person where he or she can add, remove or modify content in your document. So these are the top 5 must-have productivity software which are beneficial for students in 2021. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.